Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Guess what? Today I'm going to make a remix video. A remix of my Cha Kroeung video. I think that's the most popular on my channel. So this time around you guys can see the recipe more clear, the tutorial more clearly, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you do, please smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now let's get into this video and let me show you what you guys need in order to make this dish. Let's go. Okay you guys, this is Zoom cam. You actually need two chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, right? And bell peppers, any color you want. And then here we got the spices and sauce. So you need garlic. I had minced garlic in the jar, so I just used that. Bahok. So minced garlic, 2 tablespoons. Bahok, about 1 tablespoon. Chicken bouillon soup base mix. I have about 3 tablespoons here. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And then you're gonna need about a cup of the Kroeung, and then Kaffir Lime Leaf, right? The Tamarind soup base mix, and fish sauce. Alright you guys, let's get started. I'm gonna bring you to my oven, and then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so what I like to do before I start cooking is I like to pre-marinate my chicken breasts. So I'm going to do about 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon soup base mix and just mix it together, you guys, like that, and let it marinate for like 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So that way there's flavor into the meat. And you also want to make sure you have all your ingredients by your pan. That way you're ready, because it's going to go by fast. I'm going to turn my heat on high and just wait for that to heat up. And I'm going to use the coconut oil, you guys. I forgot what I was going to say. I was going to say coconut virgin oil. No, coconut oil. And I got mine from Costco because it's cheaper there and it's organic. Not that it matters. I just use anything. But it was there, so we got it. I feel like if you use coconut oil to make this dish, it's going to taste more creamy and delicious. So just try it, okay? So wait till it gets warm. I'm going to go ahead and add in, let's see, I have 3 tablespoons of coconut oil here. I'll just put the whole thing. And then you just want to let that get hot. And then we're going to put in the garlic. Okay. You guys hear it sizzling? Sorry, I should move the camera. Just stir it until you can start smelling the garlic. So now the garlic is getting brown, so what you want to do now is add your Kroeung, okay? I'm going to do half a cup right now. All right. After I balls. And then I'm also going to add in my bahok. And my sugar. Then add in half of the chicken bouillon, another tablespoon. And then we'll do half of this for now. See how it is for taste. Now you can add in your chicken. Just mix all the bouillon together. Now I'm going to add in some fish sauce, maybe about 1 tablespoon. Okay, now once your chicken's cooked, you can put in your veggies. And I have the bell peppers. Cook it for like 3 to 5 minutes or less, because we don't want to get the bell peppers too soft. You just want to coat the bell peppers and all the ingredients and just cook the rawness out of it. And it should be good. Now the last part is throw in your Kaffir Lime Leaves and stir it all in. The oil from the Kaffir Lime Leaves will make it more tasty. And we're done, you guys. We're done. Turn off the heat. Ta-da! Okay, let's take this up and eat. Hey friends, so we're done with the stir-fry Kroeung. So this is, I just put my spoon there, but this is the Cha Kroeung, which is stir-fry lemongrass paste with chicken. And you can use it with any kind of meat. Doesn't matter. You can do it with tofu. You can do it with anything you want. Okay? So let me taste it. Let's see. It's so flavorful, you guys. my rice is actually cold. I forgot to make rice. But, it's so good. I'll put down how much ingredients you need to use, but you guys have to make this dish and tag me on my Instagram, okay? Please. It's so good. Please try and make it. Oh my god. It's so flavorful, you guys. I think the trick is to marinate the meat before stir frying it. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this, please smash that like button, subscribe, and share the video. Let me know down below what you guys want me to make next, and I'll go ahead and try to do it for you, okay? I hope you guys have a great day, night, evening, whatever time it is where you are. Thank you again. Bye.